Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy, and on this channel we talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Recently, I decided to do a clean with me series. I am cleaning my living room, dining room, bedroom, baby room, bathroom, and everywhere else in the house. I've already done a video on the baby's room, but today I'll be doing my living room. I will be deep cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and decorating as well. So if you like these type of videos, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any other video ideas for me, go ahead and leave them down below, and let's get into the video. So the reason you see a lot of pillows and blankets on the floor is because the night before, we were playing with the baby. She's pushing the 3 months mark, and we are just trying to strengthen her back so that once she hits that stage, she'll be ready to transition into the sitting position. So what we normally do is we just put a whole bunch of pillows and blankets on the floor and then lean her up for a few minutes, then give her breaks in between and play with her. So that is what we were doing the night before. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Go. Where do we go? Go. 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 Where do we go? So what I normally do here is I usually just take everything down, dust off all the surfaces, wipe it down, and then try to put everything back in its place. Most times I end up messing up the orders because I can't remember where everything went, but I just try to make it look as decent as possible. So if you guys are wondering about this fireplace, we got this fireplace off of Amazon. It came in a box and we had to assemble it. It has a switch where it actually provides heat, and it also has a switch where it looks like it's providing heat, but it's not. It just looks pretty because it shows the fire without actual fire. So if you guys are looking for something like this, check it out on Amazon. If I remember the link, I would try to leave it down below. It's been a while since I've cleaned the floors in the living room area, so I'm just going to try to get everything out of the way so I can get to the floor. We actually have dark wood floors in the living room. We clean the hallways and other parts of the house more frequently because it is more visible, but since we have this big rug, it's kind of hard to see what's going on underneath, so I only clean it once in a while, and today happens to be one of those days. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get everything out of the way, sweep the floors, mop it, and then put everything back. I would like to apologize for the lighting in this video. It was late in the afternoon when I was filming this video. The sun was still up, and so it was giving some kind of glare whenever I would turn the camera towards the window. So I really had to fight hard to avoid that. That is the reason the lighting looks good in certain scenes and it looks horrible in others. But I do apologize about that. I am doing my very best to learn this whole lighting thing so that my future videos will be better. So as you can see here, I am sweeping the floors the old school way using a broom that I got from the Dollar Tree. I will be doing a video soon about my Dollar Tree habits. I love going to the Dollar Tree and finding some really good stuff for really cheap. So I think I'll be doing some videos on that here soon. But yes, I am just using my broom to sweep up the floors, and then I will be using my Swiffer to mop up the floors. It doesn't look too bad here, but as I sweep the floors, you will start to see some dust and some other trash that has accumulated over the past few days. Although you might look at some of these places and say it's already clean, but when you come really close, a lot of these stuff tend to collect dust. So I find myself dusting and wiping things down at least once or twice a week. And the reason it looks clean is because I do my best to keep up on it, because the worst thing you want to do is sit until everywhere is really messy and then try to clean. When you do it that way, it takes you forever to get it done. So you'll find yourself spending your whole day cleaning when you can just do a quick little dusting and wiping and sweeping here and there. As you can see here, I had to climb on top of the couch to clean the mirror, simply because I have short people problem. I'm not really that short, but I'm short enough to where I can't reach the mirror from the floor. I also had to remove all the cushions from the couch in order to clean it, just because this is a deep clean. I normally don't do that every day, but once in a while I like to take everything out and vacuum or sweep all the dust and dirt out to make sure that everything is nice and clean. Another thing I want to mention is that these cushions have zippers, so you can actually take the covering off of them and wash it. I found myself doing that a lot lately just because we have the baby now, and sometimes her food spills onto the couch. We only have the one couch and two sitting areas just because there was only two of us before, but I'm thinking we might have to get more seating or change the whole set, but that's in the future. But anyways, back to the cushions. I sometimes take off the covering, hand wash it, let it air dry, and then put it back on. I think it's better to do it that way than paying a lot of money for a professional to come and maybe professionally clean it. We don't really need that yet, so hand washing it is working right now. The reason I'm showing you this pillow is because the theme of the living room is based off of this pillow. It has a lot of the colors I like. So it has some pink, some white, some gray, and a little bit of a tannish color. As you can see, our couch is tan. We have some other white pillows. We have some gray pillows, and then the rug is off-white and gray. Because the gray in the rug is different from all the other gray we have, I decided to get a set of pillow from Burlington. So that is the reason I got this pillow set, as if we didn't have a lot of pillows already. But the gray in the rug matches the pillow, so that is why I got it. And as you can see, I'm trying to set it up, but I can't decide where I want the pillows to go, and that is why I tend to put it together, walk away, look at it, and go back and fix it. So at this point, I am done. I am super excited to be done. I'm just putting everything back in this place, doing some finishing touches, and I'll be showing you guys the finished product in a few minutes.